Díomh agus fáilte arás go dtí ceolas cos. B'imiid Gaeltacht iniu le dos na scuba with the brush stance. So the Sulagum will scoop a lot of chulagana that everyone has a nice brush or a broom in their hands. And just for any Tishmahori wondering, this is just an old broomstick. It was about 10 or 15 euros and you can get them in woodies. So I think there's always kind of limited stock, so I think if they sell out, but they come in quite regularly. So if anyone wants to go back to the old style scoop, that's no problem at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a few more steps, just following on from what we have learned. Again, it won't be anything too hard, but these steps will be harder than the previous lesson. So we're going to start off with just going back on what we learned in the last lesson. We'll go over that once, and then we'll start with the Caoimhe Ní Mhaolagáin. So again, thing to remember is we have our cú Caoimhe, timber and scoop, up door, sol boom. Knock across the grim, don't turn your back when you get up to the top. Agus Arís and peeve shut. We come back around again then. I go up, sol boom, so that's Shay Keen Dig. So no man, 16 altogether. We have our Trasna Arís, that's our trip. We have our lane, Cosí le Céile, agus Fecker and scoop, lane, do. That's over car. Agus over Cuig, your Cara lane, Susan scoop. So. Okay, so we'll try those cú Caoimhe Ní Mhaolagáin and we'll continue on then with our new steps. And again, nod down with before we start. We have our stretches all the time with our routine, really important to your ankles, especially when we're doing our lane. We don't want anyone hurt or injured, and your cosí as well. So the stretches were in the first few steps, so I won't go over them again, but you know yourself. So just nod down with the Hushin River Tussin shows before you start. Okay, so we'll go over this, our 5 steps from the last lesson, just to begin with. So again, we're going to start with our new Caoimhe for the lesson today. So what we're going to do is we'll be day selection scuba reached. We're going to be crossing over with our steps. Okay. So anyone that has done Irish dancing before or that has seen Irish dancing, you kind of see the little skips that come with it. We have little skips. So we'll be bringing that into it because the Irish dancing actually came from the Shannos. I know I explained that to you before. So some of the steps that are in the Shannos, you'll also see them in the Irish dancing because that's where they came from, the old Shannos style. So what we're going to do is, again, I want you to chass a dare the scoop at the bottom of your bush, and I want you to cross your foot over the trasna air on the scoop. Okay. Now for this, I'll do it the other way in a second. You're always using not the foot that's closest to the brush, but the one on the outside. Okay, so again, you're not standing over like this, you're always crossing over, and it's the foot on the outside or even with that is coming with it. Okay, like that. Okay, and even with. Okay, so I'll do this just facing this way, just Caru live. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to chass it and thief jats on the right side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chay over, and down. So, Trasna. Now we're going to go Trasna, Cosin even with Trasna, Le Céile, Cos Clay, Trasna, Le Céile, Trasna, Le Céile. Okay, so again, you're kind of standing over on the ball of your foot, or the Varakini. standing over nice and lightly, and you're bringing your 2 feet together. Whatever foot you cross over with is the foot even with, and cos even with on the outside. When you cross over, so that's my cos jazz. I want you to start your salsa bill the cos jazz. So this on this side, this is the foot that's on the outside. Trasna, Caoimhe. Left foot is the one I crossed over with. Right foot, Trasna, Caoimhe. Trasna, Caoimhe. You're always thinking the foot that's even with. Don't stand over like this. And you'll know yourself, it doesn't really feel like you're dancing because you're just taking a step over and back, and you want to twist your body, okay? Now the thing to remember with that is, just to show you from this side, when you're twisting your body, don't stand over like this and come. You're still facing straight ahead, crossing over and back, okay? Now there is a little bit of movement in the crumb on in your hips, so don't stay completely straight and stand over, okay? You can have a little bit of a twist, and then you're bringing them together, okay? So we'll just practice just crossing over these. Trasna, Caoimhe, 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 Trasna, Caoimhe. Okay? And again, out the varachini on your little toes when you go over. Instead of flat foot, if you kind of stamp over, I prefer the nice little light feet. Okay? So, we're going to try that. Kera or 4 times. A tosu, shasaver and tivna lava desha, the right side, and I do start to the cos jazz. Trasna, Caoimhe, cos jazz, sol, sol, cos clay, trasna, Caoimhe, cos jazz, trasna, Caoimhe, cos clay, trasna, Caoimhe. Shine. Okay? Wash your fod, anoa. So Thomas can train a bunch of shin lesson go. We're going to try that with the music. And again, good jazz for it. Dancing, so not to be too stiff for your body. Hug away, nice and relaxed. Okay, so what we're going to do is, well, after we trasna air and scoop, we're going to chimple air and scoop Arís. So like we did the first time around, sol, sol, bill, sol, sol, bill, sol, sol, bill. This time, instead of up, we have shay. Okay, so Arís, we try that, just going around like we did. We've practiced this before. So we're in cuss jazz, right foot, chimple air. Shake keen and make sure that you come back to bun the scuba. Okay, so hang, do, tree. Sol, sol, bill, sol, sol, do, sol, sol, tree, sol, sol, come. Sol, sol, cooig, sol, sol, shay. After we get to shay, we're going to go down your hunkers. Sheas, Hogan scuba, suas, and then one more sol, sol, bill. Okay, so that's if we're up, for if we're shocked, we have our sheas, suas, and then ever up. Okay, so we're going to put 3 dash in, or wanella, timple and scoob, and Arís. When you go around the scoob, don't turn your back. Okay, so shake keen. So again, we're going to move a little more quicker than we have in the first time around we did it. Okay, so Arís, cuss jazz, hang, do, tree. Sol, sol, hang, sol, sol, do, sol, sol, tree, sol, sol, come. Sol, sol, cooig, sol, sol, shay, ever shocked, cheers, suas, shine. Okay, on a walk. Now we're going to continue on to the next step. We've 2 more left. This is our second last step. This one, we're going to use the brush like it should be properly used, okay? When we're a scuba, we're going to be a scuba, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a little brush forward like this. That's all good. The rash. Okay? The scuba is coming in like that. Now, for this, in the previous lessons when we were just focusing on the channels without the scoop, we had the shlouni step. And we were moving diagonally with that. Remember that one? Shlouni. This is exactly the same step, except we're moving contussi forward, agus sheer back. Okay? So hold it in whatever hand you're most comfortable with. I'm going to hold it in my right hand, and I'm going to go contussi. So contussi, le céile, sol sol bul, sol sol bul, sheer, le céile, sol sol bul, contussi, contussi, le céile, sol sol bul, sheer, le céile, sol sol. Okay? Again, like when you're jumping over the broom, whatever foot you're most comfortable with. Okay, we're not fussy with this. So whatever foot, I want you to move forward. One thing is just try and use both your feet. Okay, so tan scuba lavo on, contussi, stand out, the sol, shasamok, the sol. Remember where sol is, shasamok. Le céile, sol sol bil, sol sol bil, sheer, sheer, le céile, sol sol bil, contussi, contussi, le céile, agus sheer, sheer, le céile. Brilliant. Okay, so we're going to try those 2 steps that we did there, chimpa leis and scoop. So we went around, then for if we're shocked, we went shias, suas, sol, sol, bul, and then we have our shlowny, suas, agus, sheer. Okay, so leis and go. So okay, shock leis Arís. Step of today, and this one is probably one that most people associate with this in a scuba. It's the crossing of the feet over like this. Okay, so there's lots of different variations to this. You can do them nice and slow, you can do them quicker, whatever you prefer. We're going to take it nice and easy today, and then in your own time, if you want to add to that and pick up speed or whatever, that's completely great. Okay, on our file. So I'm going to try from both angles of these. So the main thing with this is you're always focusing on your opposites. So if this is in my right hand, the scoop is in my right hand, I'm going to use my left foot to come over, and then I swap. If this is in my left hand, again my opposite to my right hand is my left foot, so I bring my left foot over and back. Okay, we're not looking at the same side. If I'm using my right hand and my right foot, it doesn't really work. Okay, same with this. If I'm kind of bringing it around like that, and what you want to do is just for it to slip in quite quickly and neatly. Okay, so the thing to practice here is, I'll use it from this angle. If you can, hold it whatever hand you're most comfortable with. I'll start with my right hand. Okay, and because it's in my right hand, opposite to my right hand is my left foot. So the left foot goes over, I swap hands underneath, and then I bring my foot down. Okay, same again, if it's in my left hand, I'm going to do my opposite. So opposite to my left hand is my right foot. So I bring my right foot up, I swap over, and my right foot comes down. Okay, so make sure as your foot goes up, you swap, and then shears, tugging and cuss shears, the foot comes down. Okay, so showing you just again from here. So again, suas, molatu, shears. Again, it's in my left hand now, so I'm going to use my right foot, suas, molatu, swap, shears. Okay, so we're going to take this nice and easy, where we're just going to go sus, molatu, shears, sol, sol, bul, sus, molatu, shears, sol, sol, bul, sus, molatu, shears, sol, sol, bul, and sus, molatu, shears. Okay, now I did that quite quickly there. So again, I'm going to show you from this angle. So we're focusing on 4 little lifts and over. Salav jas, so she's salav jas. Because I'm cuss clay, chop. The left foot is coming. So right hand. So sus leis and cuss clay. So again, like we were doing when we were crossing over, it's not the foot closest to the broom or the brush, it's the one on the outside. Okay? So suas, molatu, shees, sol, sol, bul, sol, sol, bul. I do the sol, sol, bul in the foot that I use to bring over. So I'm going to show you that again. Sus, molatu, shees, sol, sol, bul. Okay? Cos jas inish, so it's in my left hand. Suas, molatu, shees. Right foot came over, so right foot starts sol, sol, bul, sol, sol, bul. Sus, molatu, shees, left foot. And sus, molatu, shees. Okay? Now don't be putting pressure on yourself if you can't get that straight away. I've been doing it a while. So not be bored of shin. If you can, the main thing is to focus on this movement first. So remember, it's not the foot that's nearest, it's always the opposite. Okay? So even if you can just focus on doing that first before you bring in any of the basic step, the desa. Okay? Even if you can just focus like that. Okay? And if you want to do that then a little bit faster or whatever you want, that's cargo focus. If you can get it slowly, that's the most important thing. Okay? It's not about how fast you can do it, it's about how good you can do it. So if you can do it nice and slow while keeping your balance and you're using the right hand and the right foot, Shinne, Tashav Jane of Gaeltacht ar fad. Okay? So we're going to try this nice and slow. I'm going to try from both angles. We're going to try it with the Ceol, and then we're going to try all the steps from Daois na Scuba, Ceocht the Hain from the first lesson, Agus Ceocht the Do. We have 10 steps altogether. So Mashiv ar fad, Arís Gaeltacht ar fad. Okay? So, Arís, I'll try from this angle first. It's in my right hand, so my left foot is coming over. So, Sus, Mala tu Shis, Sol, Sol, Boo. Arís, Sus, Mala tu Shis, Sol, Sol, Boo. Sus, Mala tu Shis, Sol, Sol, Boo. Og, Sus, Mala tu Shis. Okay, Arís, push up. So my right hand, love jazz. So cos clay, Sus, Mala tu Shis, Sol, Sol, Boo. Sus, Mala tu Shis, Sol, Sol, Boo. Sus, Mala tu Shis, Sol, Sol, Boo. Sus, Mala tu Shis. Okay, it might seem like I'm doing it a little bit slow, but once we put the Ceol on, it's a little bit faster. So we'll try this just one, leis an Ceol, agus streiche sin, Kermud Gochrod le Ceol, we'll put everything together. Okay, so be a dear, really, really concentrated, and again, Éisteach leis an Ceol, agus a prab on cos.